Fresh whole fried chicken. Kah, nastog dagit ini. Parang parehas lang, di puta. $9. Chicken lang, chicken. You have biryani mix dito? Here? It's like masala biryani, something like that?
You can check over there.
No, it's like in Indian, it's packed in a box, not like this. You know what I'm saying? Masala biryani, something like that. You don't carry Indian masala here? No, this one are all Filipino. I know everything. This masala biryani, something like that. No, nothing, right?
Yeah, I cannot find it.
You know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I think it's so out for now.
Because you don't carry Indian food, do you? Right? No?
Right now it's no.
Yeah, I think you don't carry Indian food. Oh shit. Filipino kaya? Pagka ano to, buy one take one free, right? So parang 9 din ang isa, di ba? Kasi 18 siya yung lower. Yeah, mag-sense lang naman. Pero ibig sabihin, parang 9 pa rin. Kasi 9. 18 divided by 2, 9, right? 9 something. Parang good deal ba o pangit? Palagay mo?
People are
Ha?
happy.
What?
Get the game, buy one get one free.
No, it's yeah, actually it's this.
Sometimes it's $15, right?
How much before?
Price is so ridiculous. $18.
Yeah,
Yeah, understand. They jack up the price, something like same thing.